What if I told you that you can build your own AI app, something like ChatGPT, Gemini, or even your own personal assistant without a single line of code? Yes, Google just made that possible. This is Google AI Studio, and it's going to completely flip the AI game. Forget prompts, forget APIs. You can build, train, and deploy your own AI apps directly from your browser, and it's 100% beginner friendly. In this video, I'll show you what Google AI actually does, how to use it step by step, and why this might be the biggest AI tool of 2025. So, first things first, what is Google AI Studio? It's basically your AI app builder powered by Gemini, Google's most advanced AI model. You can use it to build custom chatbots, data tools, or automation agents. The kind of stuff you used to spend. So, first things first, come to this website. I'll provide the link in the description. After that, simply click on the build section, and if you don't find this tool area, simply click on this one, and you will be showing this. Simply click on the build section, and here's the magic happens. You can literally build an app, total app with using a template. As simple as that. Simply, if you want to start from a template, dynamic text games, all you have to do is to click on write whatever you want and simply click on the run. As simple as that. There are some games already made. I mean, not games, softwares. There are some softwares that are already made right here. You can simply you can literally check them right here. Wait, let me, as you can see, okay, as you can see, this game is literally made with AI.
Well, now, then the pressure is on from the very first fall. When you required. Can they manage it in these last 12 deliveries? It's going to be a thrilling finish. Oh, what a shot. That's race to the boundary. Tension is building with this last wicket.
Oh, shit.
Well, now the pressure's on with
As you can see,
34
now
runs and 5 balls. Let's see if they can chase this down. Boom.
as you can see, this was the code for building the game. That's how easy right now it became to, create a literally whole game. And let's try this one. You can even select the preview device, mobile, tablet, or computer, whatever you have. Oh, now I see. This is actually whatever I click, it will, enhance the quality. Okay, let's click on start from a template. There are some templates. I'll go with the imagine. Let's see. Enter a prompt. Enter a prompt. Generate an image. We can imagine. See the code tab, for example. Okay, let's see. And by the way, here's if you want to see the code, here's the code, and it's generating on its own. As you can see, the image is generated. Now I can literally add this in my API or add it in AI Studio by giving any random name. Let's try something very simple. Build me an AI that generates viral YouTube video ideas, titles, and hooks based on any niche out. Let's see how much time it takes. It's thinking. I'm breaking down your building a UI framework, outlining application component, developing AI API. Okay, the code is being written. It's preview available. Let's see. No, right now it's not available. Let's finish the writing the code. Yeah, I guess the code is finished. Now let's see the preview. Okay, let's see. I'll provide video. Let's see what type of idea it can generate. Exposing common rookie video editing mistakes that make footage look amateur. Maybe your video looks terrible because of this easy, because of this. Okay, 10 lazy video editing hacks that will save you hours. What happened? I don't know why it just restarted. Okay, let's me right again. Stop making these 7 video editing mistakes. You're ruining your footage. I edited terrible footage into a masterpiece. Nice. 10 secret video editing hacks pro editors don't want you to know. Nice. AI just made video editing obsolete. Pro video edits for free. My zero budget setup. Okay. Hold on. Yes. Okay. It has generated some very good, titles and hooks. So, this is not just another AI tool. This is Google's way of making AI creation accessible to everyone. So, if you want to start building your own AI tools or agents, go play around with Google AI Studio today. It's free, simple, and insanely powerful. Once you understand the logic behind prompts, you're done. You can literally create websites like useful websites like this within just a minute, to be honest. So, subscribe if you are into real world AI tutorials, not hype, because next week showing something more crazy about Google AI Studio. So, I'll see you in the next one.